In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access the recycle bin in Windows 11. I assume you don't find it on your desktop as I have mine here. The first thing you want to do is to click the Start menu, and then you want to go to Settings. If you don't find the settings here, you can just search for it on the search menu here. Click Settings, and then you want to go to Personalization, and under the Personalization tab you want to go down to Themes, and under Themes you want to scroll down to Related Settings and Desktop Icon Settings and click it. And at this menu here you want to choose the recycle bin and tick recycle bin. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.